Welcome back to Power Tools Pro. Today, we're diving into 15 insane Amazon woodworking tools under $100 that every DIYer and woodworker should check out. These budget-friendly tools deliver surprising performance, clever innovation, and serious value, perfect for upgrading your workshop without overspending. Let's jump right in.
The Inequalit Mini Circular Saw is a compact cutting tool, ideal for small woodworking projects, DIY repairs, and detailed trimming jobs. Despite its small size, it offers impressive cutting power and precision thanks to its high-performance motor and guided ruler system. The lightweight form factor makes it easy to control, even in tight spots where full-size circular saws struggle. It's perfect for cutting plywood, MDF, plastic, and small boards with accuracy. The ergonomic grip reduces hand fatigue, while the safety features ensure smooth and controlled operation. For under $100, this mini saw gives you versatility without taking up much workshop space.
The HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary tool is a compact, multi-purpose powerhouse designed for detailed woodworking, polishing, grinding, sanding, and engraving. With its lightweight design and cordless convenience, you can work comfortably anywhere without dealing with tangled cords or bulky setups. This tool features multiple speed settings, allowing you to fine-tune control for delicate carving or more aggressive material removal. It includes a full accessory kit, making it suitable for hobbyists and professional woodworkers who need precise finishing results. Whether you're shaping small wooden pieces, cleaning edges, or adding custom engravings, this rotary tool delivers excellent versatility at a very affordable price point. The WEN 33606 Jig Saw combines a strong 6.6 amp motor with variable speed control, making it perfect for detailed woodworking cuts. Its 4-position orbital settings let you switch between smooth, controlled cuts and aggressive fast-cutting action depending on your project needs. The onboard LED light improves visibility, while its beveling footplate adds versatility for angled cuts up to 45 degrees. This jigsaw's ergonomic design reduces vibration and hand fatigue, ensuring long-term comfort during extended use. Whether you're shaping curves, cutting out patterns, or customizing furniture pieces, the WEN jigsaw gives you reliable accuracy and power, all while staying budget-friendly. The GemRed 82305 Digital Protractor is a must-have measuring tool for accurate angle setting, layout, and joinery work. Crafted with a durable stainless steel body, it provides reliable measurements with clear digital readings that simplify complex woodworking tasks. The tool displays angles instantly, helping you set up miter saws, table saws, and layout lines with precision. Its locking function lets you freeze measurements for transferring angles easily. Lightweight yet built for workshop use, it ensures professional accuracy even on highly detailed projects. If you're working on cabinetry, trim, or custom builds requiring exact angles, this digital protractor gives you dependable performance for under $100. The DEKO Pro Cordless Drill delivers solid power and versatility for drilling and screw-driving tasks around the workshop. Its compact, ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, while the rechargeable battery ensures freedom of movement without trailing cords. With multiple torque settings and variable speed, you can adjust power for delicate woodworking or tougher drilling jobs. The drill includes forward and reverse functions for quick bit changes and easy screw removal. Ideal for assembling furniture, building shelves, or completing home DIY projects, this budget-friendly drill provides reliable performance that suits both beginners and experienced woodworkers looking for a dependable, everyday tool. The Jellas 5-inch random orbital sander is perfect for achieving ultra-smooth finishes on woodworking projects. Designed with a dual-action sanding base, it rotates and vibrates simultaneously, preventing swirl marks while improving sanding efficiency. Its powerful motor delivers consistent performance, and the variable speed dial allows you to control material removal based on your project. The included dust collection system keeps your workspace cleaner, making sanding less messy and more enjoyable. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, this sander works well on furniture refinishing, cabinetry, or prepping surfaces for paint or stain. For under $100, it's an excellent upgrade for any workshop. The WORKPRO Pneumatic Brad Nailer provides fast, clean fastening for trim, woodworking, cabinetry, and craft projects. Built for reliability, this nailer fires 18-gauge brad smoothly with minimal recoil, ensuring accurate and flush placement every time. Its lightweight aluminum body reduces fatigue, while the comfortable rubber grip provides better control. The adjustable depth feature allows you to fine-tune nail penetration for different wood types, ensuring a professional finish. Compatible with most standard air compressors, it's a great tool for DIYers and pros needing precision fastening on a budget. From picture frames to molding installation, this brad nailer offers dependable value. The Soccer Woodworking Scriber is a smart and practical marking tool for accurate layout work. It features adjustable settings that let you trace precise parallel lines along edges, curves, or reference surfaces. Built with solid materials, this tool ensures long-term durability while helping reduce measurement errors during cutting or joinery. The Scriber is especially useful for cabinet installation, trim work, and custom furniture building where tight-fitting edges are essential. Easy to adjust and use with one hand, it keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. For woodworkers who value precision, this budget-friendly tool adds professional accuracy without complex setup. The Kimgsoak edge banding trimmer is designed to cleanly trim excess edge banding from plywood and furniture panels. Its dual-blade system cuts smoothly on both sides, ensuring a clean and even finish. This trimmer is easy to use, making it ideal for beginners as well as seasoned woodworkers working on cabinetry or panel furniture. The ergonomic shape provides a secure grip, while the sturdy construction ensures consistent performance. It's perfect for achieving smooth edges when using veneer, PVC, or wooden banding materials. For anyone working with sheet goods, this small, affordable tool delivers surprising professional results.
The Tietoc Mini Chainsaw is a lightweight, handheld cutting tool designed for pruning, trimming, and small woodworking tasks. Its compact form makes it easy to maneuver around tight areas, while the cordless design gives you complete portability. The high-efficiency motor, combined with a sharp bar and chain, delivers quick and effortless cuts through branches, logs, and softwood pieces. It's equipped with safety features like a protective baffle and ergonomic non-slip grip for secure handling. Whether you're preparing firewood, shaping timber, or managing garden work, this mini chainsaw offers powerful performance while remaining incredibly budget-friendly. The Trend EasyScribe scribing tool is engineered for perfectly matching cabinets, countertops, and trim against uneven walls or flooring. Its adjustable design allows you to precisely trace edges, ensuring tight, seamless fits for professional-looking installations. The tool features a built-in pencil holder and smooth gliding mechanism for consistent and accurate lines. Perfect for carpenters and DIYers, this scribing tool is especially useful during remodeling or custom furniture building. Durable and easy to handle, it reduces frustration and speeds up layout work. If you want flawless fits without complicated measurements, this budget-friendly tool delivers outstanding performance and simplicity. The SORAKO electric screwdriver is a compact, rechargeable tool designed for fast and effortless screwdriving tasks. Its ergonomic grip and lightweight design make it comfortable to use even during extended projects. With multiple torque settings and forward-reverse control, it handles furniture assembly, small repairs, and woodworking tasks with ease. The built-in LED light helps illuminate dark corners, ensuring precision in tight spaces. It also comes with a set of useful bits, making it versatile for various household tasks. Affordable yet reliable, this electric screwdriver is a convenient addition to any DIY toolkit, especially for users who value speed and comfort. The ViewReal bench dog clamp provides secure, efficient clamping for woodworking tasks without taking up extra space on your workbench. Designed to fit into 3/4-inch dog holes, it offers strong holding power for sanding, routing, carving, or assembly work. The quick adjust mechanism allows fast repositioning, while its durable construction ensures long-term reliability. This clamp is perfect for woodworkers who need flexible work-holding solutions, especially when working with larger boards or irregular shapes. Lightweight yet strong, it increases your accuracy and safety while keeping your workspace organized. For under $100, this smart upgrade to any bench setup delivers. The VEVOR bench vise is a sturdy and reliable clamping tool designed for woodworking, metalworking, and general workshop tasks. Built with heavy-duty cast iron, it offers excellent durability and strong gripping force. The wide jaw opening accommodates larger materials, while the swivel base provides flexible positioning for different angles. This vise ensures stable, vibration-free work holding, making cutting, filing, drilling, and shaping much easier. The handle turns smoothly for effortless tightening, and the textured jaws deliver a secure hold on various materials. For woodworkers seeking a tough and dependable vise on a budget, this VEVOR model delivers outstanding value. The RUITOOL marking knife is an essential precision tool for woodworking layout tasks. Its ultra-sharp blade creates clean, accurate lines that guide saws and chisels more precisely than pencils. The knife is crafted from durable high-carbon steel, ensuring long-lasting sharpness and control. Its ergonomic wooden handle provides excellent grip, allowing steady marking even on hardwoods. This marking knife is perfect for joinery, dovetails, and fine furniture work where accuracy matters most. Lightweight, durable, and highly dependable, it's a must-have for woodworkers aiming for tight, perfectly aligned cuts. For under $100, this tool significantly boosts layout precision and craftsmanship. Thanks for watching this lineup of 15 insane Amazon woodworking tools under $100. If you enjoyed discovering these budget-friendly gems, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Power Tools Pro for more tool breakdowns, recommendations, and workshop upgrades. See you in the next video.